What happens when the price reaches a peak or a bottom that can no longer be broken? In this video, we will discuss the double top and double bottom strategy using a simple yet effective free Tradingview indicator to identify trend reversals with high accuracy. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Double top and double bottom are simple patterns that often appear on charts and are highly effective in providing strong signals to identify price reversal patterns. In this example, we will use this trading strategy on forex trading with the GBP/USD pair using the 1-hour time frame. However, you can use this strategy on other assets as well, so make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The double top and double bottom trading strategy using this free Tradingview indicator will be highly effective if you use it on at least a 1-hour time frame. Now, open your Tradingview. Then set the pair to GBP/USD. Next, set the time frame to 1 hour. After that, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type double top bottom. Then simply select the double top bottom indicator by Trendoscope. Next, configure the double top bottom indicator. In the Input tab, leave the indicator on its default settings. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all the marks and leave only the labels and lines checked. Once done, just click OK to save the changes. This double top and double bottom indicator will provide information when a double top or double bottom pattern occurs in the market. If the indicator signals a double bottom, your main focus should be placing a buy order. Meanwhile, if the indicator signals a double top, your main focus should be placing a sell order. However, this indicator is not one that can work on its own. So, let's add a second indicator that will be used as a signal filter. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type NJ volume. After that, simply select the NJ volume indicator from this creator. For the NJ volume indicator, leave it on the default settings. This volume indicator will be used to signal market volume momentum. The blue cloud represents the volume MA. If a green bar appears and closes outside the volume MA cloud, it signals strong bullish volume. Meanwhile, if a red bar appears and closes outside the volume MA cloud, it signals strong bearish volume. Now, let's discuss how to use these two indicators to place buy and sell orders in the market. How to place a sell order. If the double top bottom indicator signals a double top, your main focus should be placing a sell order. Ensure that the volume indicator shows a red bar and closes outside the volume MA cloud. As the final confirmation, make sure the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick has fully closed. Place the stop loss at the highest top point. Use a take profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. How to place a buy order. If the double top bottom indicator signals a double bottom, your main focus should be placing a buy order. Ensure that the volume indicator shows a green bar and closes outside the volume MA cloud. As the final confirmation, make sure the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are confirmed, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick has fully closed. Place the stop loss at the lowest bottom point. Use a take-profit target with a 1 to 1.5 risk-to-reward ratio. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology, because no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's all, and see you in the next video.